Norte do Hipódromo. Ave Malo. Up by the Macau border, walking Avenida Norte do Hipódromo. Wow, 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 walking the streets of Macau. Just walking, 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 walking the streets of Macau. Just walking the streets of Macau. Avenida Norte do Hipódromo. Walking Avenida Norte do Hipódromo. Just wow, 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 walking Avenida Norte do Hipódromo. Yeah, walking Avenida Norte Hipódromo.
Avenida Norte do Hipódromo. Norte means the north of the racetrack. There's a little shrine right in there as well. Let's see if they got going. So they have a little shrine. I won't bother them. It's fun to see what it looks like. So right here says the neighborhood of the Hipodromo, the barrio do Hipodromo. We're gonna walk, and they also have a basketball right over there as well. So they have all kinds of activities for kids. So we're gonna put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Just as an aside, this is the Norte, and then over that way is Leste. I think Leste is east or west. I kind of forget. And this is all relatively new. So they built all this recently. Last time I was on this particular street, it was all under construction, and now it's now it has this nice sidewalk and this nice structural designs. So okay, Avenida Norte do Hipodromo. Walking along what used to be the north side of the racetrack. And we're gonna follow the street all the way to the border. There's the basketball over there. It's a little bit dark, you can barely see through it, but yeah, I think this is all new. These little seating arrangements that they have, that space there, this kind of sculpture stuff. It's kind of interesting. And then we're gonna be walking to the border, and you can see the border of China straight ahead. So everything in the forefront is Macau. Those buses that you can see are Macau, and then you can see a line of trees, and then those trees, there's another street on the other side of the street that's also part of Macau, and then it all turns into Zhuhai, China. And I can see a little bit of, let me kind of go like this, we'll go this way. But we can see a little bit of Zhuhai straight ahead. And there's our sign, Avenida Norte. We have this beautiful park right here, and all of that is Zhuhai over there. Let me just kind of walk like this real quick. So this highway, and they're building something here, but all of that is China, Zhuhai, China. That clock over there is Zhuhai, China. That right there is the Zhuhai station. And then you also have, and we have our street sign right there, Norte, so it goes all the way down this way. And then I believe it leads into the other one as well. It's kind of cool. Then you have that beautiful park straight ahead. Oh, I got some beautiful designs too. Just capture those a little bit. So, really nice. Those are relatively new as well. We'll keep on walking down. Got a playground right in here. Yeah, this keeps changing as well since the last time I was here. Avenida de Tranquility. So yeah, we basically came up that way, but I think that's also, this is another street that leads into it, so they kind of merge. And then we have our freaking street right there. Avenida Norte de Hipodromo. Okay. Beautiful trees in the median. Those trees kind of make me feel like I'm South China or California. I really love those kind of trees a lot, actually. I grew up in a cold area, so I feel really lucky to be in a place with all these different types of trees all around. Let's see what this is. This is Macau. Okay. So this walks all the way to the border, and I think we're going to take it all the way to the border as well. We'll see, I think it's shrines up here on the left. So that'll be the next interesting thing. There's somebody gardening it, taking care of it right now. There it is right there. Yeah, I've always liked this shrine a lot. Yeah, this shrine, yeah, it's really nice. I like it. I've always noticed that when I used to go this way to the border. So this one here, where you can see this little bridge right here, this wasn't here maybe 5 years ago. It came up during COVID era, which was about, it's that's cool. Sometimes I think I'm about to see all the different streets in Macau, and then I realize that there's streets that I've never filmed and never noticed before. That one is the Good Success Street. Let's walk this side. These guardrails, I don't know if those guardrails are new or not. They look a little bit new. I've been living here since 2013, so it's been 13 years, and I used to walk this a lot. Used to walk it every Sunday and take a bus not too far from where we're at now, and then I'd walk on the street. The shrines. These are common in Macau. Avenida de Tranquilidad. Yeah, like 5 years ago that bridge wasn't there, but it kind of moves traffic along a little bit better now than before. This is all stuff that, you know, if we say I'm going up near the border, this is where we're going. These are the neighborhoods up here. Let me see. And then it ends, so that's actually this is the Praça de Porto de Esterco, and the border would be like right there and right there. Daiso, it's a little bit further, so this actually changes names. So I'm gonna just end the video right here because I think I want to do that other one, that little Bom Sucesso. But anyways, this is this Hipodromo, and then that's that new bridge that goes all the way across. Okay. Cross streets. And the end of our video.